What's up, guys? You know, like about a month ago, ever since up to now, I've been procrastinating. Sorry. So I've been procrastinating about cleaning my brake calipers, and it took me a while because I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago I actually did my first trial and trying to clean them, but one of the bolts didn't come off, so I stopped and I lose motivation in doing it. So today this whole purpose of this video is supposed to me cleaning these calipers and actually respraying them. So stay tuned. Something that you're gonna need to do the cleaning and the respraying is, first thing, you gotta need a drill. Right now I got a sanding pad on there, just to help remove some of the paint, the hard paint that was on there. Also, I do have a hard brush, and it's not just any brush, by the way. This is like a, what you call it, metal, whatever you want to call it. It's a metal brush. And also to do the painting, I got a primer, and the caliper paint that I'm using right now is this duplicate color, and you're gonna need a glass color to do the finishing. So, but don't forget that you're actually gonna need a what you call it, the tape and a bag just to wrap the rotors so they don't get damaged or get oversprayed. Alright, y'all, so this is trial number 2. Trying to take these brake caliper bolts off. Just found out my link bars are messed up, so I'm probably gonna have to replace that too. So I end up bagging this rotor. I'm not gonna take the caliper off overall because for some reason it's a whole problem or whatever. So I took this bolt off back here. Gave me a lot of problem. End up bleeding it, and so yeah, even bought a little kit to bleed it. End up not using it, so just did it the old-fashioned way, and I'm bleeding myself. So right now what I'm gonna do is put the bag in here, and I think next thing is to use one of these. Use the primer to go over it, because I've already cleaned it just a little bit, but it got some rust in it right now. So that's the plan. So that's my first coat right now. I'm at a second coat probably 15 minutes from now. Finally did my first brake caliper. That's right there. It's looking kind of good now. So I think next step is to do the other one. The next thing that I'm gonna do right now is to finish polishing these brake calipers so I can paint them, and then finish cleaning this area off. So I cleaned this off already, so just the next step is to clean this off. So yeah. Alright, so I actually got done cleaning a caliper just a little bit. Using this hard brush that's right here and the drill. So next step is to cover it up with a bag and just tape it down. So this is my second coating. It's kind of leaking over the caliper, but it's just because I added a little bit too much. There's some strips left in there, some strips of paint that I didn't actually clean off because I felt a little bit lazy and I didn't want to clean them off. But this is the primer that I'm using right now, just in case you guys was wondering. And yeah, I'll show you the third coating, and then I'll add the red color that I added to it. So alright guys, it's time to add the third coating. Oh, and yo, these Walmart bags be coming in handy though. Because at first I was wondering, like, what am I going to use to wrap the rotors, but And again, I thought about it that we had some bags here, so why not? And that's what I did. This is supposed to be my first coating of the first color that I'm gonna add onto the caliper. So just gonna do it right now right in front of you guys. Alright guys, so it's kind of getting dark right now, so I'm just gonna finish doing the spraying and then I'll add the gloss color to it, and then that would be it. So I'll show you guys some pictures afterwards when it's dry. Did get done doing the spraying for the caliper. I did add the third coating and then the gloss painting last night, so it got dark a little bit, so I had to just stop making videos, and now it's the morning and this is what it looked like so far. And this is the front compared to the back part right now. Back I might spray around a little bit or mess around with it. That's what it would look like for now though. This is the back. This is the other front. Kind of look good though.